Here's the Orioles in a nutshell today. Good start, bad finish, third straight loss, sleepless night for one pitcher. So you know what this means, right? The guy's never behind.
True or false, after retiring from football, Dan Fouts changed his last name to Haggerty and played Grizzly Adams on TV.
Who makes up these questions?
Me. How's my hair? I'm on TV, you know.
Oh, I'm sorry. There we go. There we go.
The Orioles didn't just rest during the All-Star break. They went into a coma. Gee, somebody get the paddles out and jolt these guys back to life.
I predict a very good game.
All right, sounds great. Thanks so much for your
Thank
time.
you.
Steve Davis, Fox Sports News, with the president at the White House.
No time to feel sorry for yourself if you're the Ravens. You know the drill. Win your final 2 games and you're in the playoffs. No ifs, ands, or buts about it.
Steve, let me start with you. What are you hearing from your listeners?
Well, not as much as I think maybe the columnists and talk show hosts think they should. He will donate $1.2 million, or as we like to say around here, a Rod Daniels paycheck. Well, it's always nice when you can go to a football game and talk about the heat index instead of the wind chill factor.
To chase around the pigskin a little bit, right?
A little bit when I was in high school. I was a mediocre tackle and a worse fullback.
Falcons at home against the Eagles.
I think the Falcons win maybe by as much as 10 or 12 points.
Bobby School, which was funded by a group representing over 300 all-white schools, appealed twice, setting up the ultimate showdown. The case was argued before the United States Supreme Court on April 26, 1976.
Finally tonight, we have a teaching moment for you. If you tweet on Twitter and act like a twit, there will be a tit for tat.
So here I am, I'm in the huddle, number 5. My job is containment, make sure the guy doesn't get outside. Now I'm all set to make the hit, and look at this. The guy, he takes the dive right in front of me.
You are one lucky.
That is my pro debut right there.
I almost got the hit! I almost got the hit!
I bet your eyes were big.
I saw him coming, and I was like, I'm going to hit him.
You played, man.
I played.
You got to play it.
Tomorrow on the air I can say I played.